Hello and welcome to SparkMap. This video will demonstrate how to create an interactive report for your community. What this does is allows you first to select the state you would like to report on and then select your county. So for instance, I can scroll down to Maine and the list of counties in Maine will populate. I'm going to select York County and you can see it shows up on my report location on the right. You are able to collect a custom area with a premium subscription by selecting more than one county. So for this demonstration, I am only able to select one. Once you are finished with your selection, click Data Indicators in the bottom right when you are ready to proceed. Here you can see we have a series of indicators that we have curated around multiple topic areas. Under demographics, we have things like change in total population, age 65 plus, urban and rural, and veterans. As you can see as I hover over them, the I button highlights, and you can click on those for additional information about an indicator like attributes, a quick view on the map of what it looks like, and then a link back to the original source and when it was published. So you can either select all indicators at the top, you can select an entire category by clicking the checkbox next to the category, or you can go through and select individual indicators you are most interested in. So I'm going to make a quick sub-selection of indicators from each category in which to create a report. So the next thing you would do is click the Reports button here at the bottom. What you see very quickly, the report is generated on your page and you are able to explore the indicators you have selected. So the first indicator I've selected is total population. As shown here, it gives us a nice stem sentence about this specific indicator within the context of the geography we have selected. And then we get this same information reported to us in a data table. So here this report location line is York County, Maine, and then you benchmark to the state of Maine and the rest of the United States. You can get more details about the indicator with background information and methodology in this link under the data table. You can click this View Larger Map and it'll open up in the map room if you wanted to explore this indicator within the map room. Scrolling down, you can see that's sort of how most indicators in this report are laid out. Down at the bottom, we have this nice Hamburger Menu. What happens when I click this is it will pull up a list of all the data indicators you have selected for your report. That way, you can jump through the indicators more easily instead of scrolling up and down. For instance, I can jump to students eligible for free or reduced price lunch. When the data is available, we will include visualizations such as this dial or below see the trends over time. Jumping back to the top, you can download this as a PDF and it will look very similar to this page here. We also have multiple report options for you to choose from. Selecting the report options drop-down, you can decide what you would like to have shown and downloaded. For instance, I can uncheck Show State Data, and in my indicator table, it no longer benchmarks to the rest of the state. You can also remove the population groups and the maps if you'd like. We have a couple of output options. Most likely, you're always going to look at this comprehensive report. I did want to point out that we do have a quick facts, which converts this page into a series of data tables for the indicators you have selected. So if you want just a quick 1 to 2 pager, this is a great way to go. Then we also have a source and methodology option. So if you are writing a grant or a report where you'd like to cite these sources in this data, we have done some of that citation work for you. You can share it on social media or email, and we also have print capabilities right here in this button. So today you have learned how to create an interactive report in SparkMap. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thanks for watching.